Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the sure is taking a while to sign in error in Among Us. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This issue is usually related to connection problems, server issues, or account restriction. First, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. A weak connection can delay or block the login process, so confirm that Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly and make sure airplane mode is turned off. Next, check the server status. Open your browser and search for Among Us server status. Then visit Down Detector. If you see a large spike in reports, the servers may be down. In that case, the only solution is to wait until the issue is fixed. If you're using a shared family account on Google Play or Apple, account restrictions can sometimes prevent sign-ins. Try checking for additional error messages or use a different account if needed. For PC users, launch the game directly through Steam instead of using a desktop shortcut. This helps ensure proper authentication. Also, if you're using a VPN, disable it and try signing in again because VPNs can sometimes interfere with game connections. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix the sure is taking a while to sign in error in Among Us. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.